Good morning, respected board members. My name is Nosalina binti Ayub, Corporate Communication Manager. Today, I will present a proposal on Strategic Workplace Communication Assessment Program. This program aims to improve communication in the workplace, enhance employee well-being, and increase organizational performance. The Competency Assessment and Strategic Benchmarking Program 2026 is organised for Tabika Perpaduan and Taska Perpaduan JPIN Pulau Pinang. It is designed to enhance teachers' competency and professionalism. The program also addresses current communication issues such as inconsistent messaging, ineffective meeting, low morale, and poor teamwork. It focuses on improving teacher practice, management, quality, and staff motivation. Currently, our organization faces several communication issues such as inconsistent messaging, ineffective meeting, and low employee morale and poor teamwork. This program aims to improve communication in the workplace, enhance employee well-being, and increase organizational performance. The Competency Assessment and Strategic Benchmarking Program 2026 is organised for Tabika Perpaduan and Taska Perpaduan JPIN Pulau Pinang. It is designed to enhance teachers' competency and professionalism. The program also addresses current communication issues such as inconsistent messaging, ineffective meeting, low morale, and poor teamwork. It focuses on improving teacher practice, management, quality, and staff motivation. Currently, our organization faces several communication issues such as inconsistent messaging, ineffective meeting, and low employee morale and why this program? This program is important to improve communication skill among staff, ensuring that information is delivered clearly, accurately, and consistently across all levels of the organization. Effective communication will help reduce misunderstanding and improve overall efficiency. In addition, the program aims to strengthen teamwork by promoting better collaboration, trust, and mutual understanding among employees. When teamwork is strong, tasks can be completed more smooth and effectively. Furthermore, the program helps to enhance staff motivation by creating a more sportive and positive working environment. Motivate employees are more engaged, productive, and committed to their roles. Lastly, this program ensures clear and effective management by improving how leaders communicate with their team, make discussions, and provide guidance. Strong leadership communication is essential in driving organizational success and achieve long-term goals. This program targets middle manager and team leaders as they act as key communication gatekeepers in these organizations. This program mainly targets teachers and assistant teachers as they play a key role in communication and teamwork within the organization. Total 178 participants, teacher and assistant teacher, Taska Perpaduan educators, officer and director. The training includes effective communication skill, meeting management, conflict resolution, and team engagement strategy. This program includes several important training components that are essential to improve workplace communication and overall performance. Firstly, it focuses on effective communication skill, where participants will learn how to deliver clear message, avoid misunderstanding, and communication more confidently with colleagues. Secondly, the training also covers meeting management. This is important because ineffective meeting often waste time and reduce productivity. Through this program, participants will learn how to plan, organize, and conduct meetings more effectively. In addition, conflict resolution is also included, as conflict may arise in any organization. Participants will be exposed to approach strategy and to manage and resolve conflict professionally. Lastly, the program emphasizes team engagement strategy to strengthen teamwork, improve collaboration, and create a more positive working environment. The program will be conducted over 2 days using a hybrid approach at a suitable training venue. Program implementation, duration 2 days, 1 night. Travel from Pulau Pinang to Kuala Lumpur, includes course, training, season, and activities. Learning through indoor and outdoor activities. This program will be conducted over a duration of 2 days and 1 night at a suitable training venue. The selected environment is important to ensure participants can focus, engage actively, and benefit fully from the program. Throughout the program, various activities will be carried out, including professional course, interactive season, and group activity. These activities are designed not only to deliver knowledge but also to provide hands-on experience. Upon arrival, participants will attend a series of professional training seasons, including courses related to teaching, management, and communication skills. This season are conducted in a structured and interactive manner to ensure effective learning. Participants will also be involved in practical learning situations where they can apply communication skills, teamwork strategy, and problem-solving technique and real life scenario. The approach help ensure that the knowledge gains in meaningful can be applied in their daily network environment. The program will be implemented in three phases: planning, training, and evaluation to ensure effectiveness. The implementation of the program is divided into three main phases to ensure its effectiveness and sustainability. The first phase is the planning phase, where our preparation are carried out, including setting objective, organizing activity, and preparing training materials. The second phase is the training phase, which is the main part of the program. During the phase, participant will attend course, participate in activity, and engage in the discussion that focus on improving communication, teamwork, and professional skill. The final phase is the evaluation phase. The phase is important to assess the effectiveness of the program. Feedback will be collected from participants, and the outcome will be analyzed to identify strengths and area for improvement. Through this three structure process, Through these three structure phases, the program can be implemented systematically and achieve its team. This program will improve employee well-being, enhance communication, and increase productivity. Through the implementation of this program, several positive outcomes are expected. Firstly, the program aims to improve employee well-being by creating a more supportive and positive working environment. When communication improves, stress can be reduced and staff can feel more motivated and valued. Secondly, communication among staff is expected to become clearer and more effective. This will help reduce misunderstanding, improve coordination, and strengthen relationship within the organization. Lastly, the program is expected to increase overall productivity and teamwork. When employees are able to work together effectively and communicate clearly, tasks can be completed more efficiently and organizational performance can be enhanced. Currently, our organization faces several communication issues such as inconsistent messaging, ineffective meeting, low employee morale, and poor teamwork. This challenge can negatively impact daily operation, reduce productivity, and affect the overall effectiveness of both teaching and management within the organization. When communication is not clear, it may lead to misunderstanding, confusion, and lack of coordination among staff. Overall, this program is not only beneficial for individual development but also plays an important role in enhancing the overall success and effectiveness of the organization. It highlights the importance of strong communication skills, which are essential in building teamwork, improving collaboration, and ensuring that goals are achieved efficiently. In conclusion, effective communication is a key factor in organizational success. This program provides a practical and relevant solution to address current challenge, while also offering long-term benefits for both individual and organization as a whole. By participating in this program, individuals are able to develop the better understanding, confidence, and professional skill that can be applied in their daily work. Furthermore, this program helped to improve teacher competency and readiness in headline various teaching situations. It enhanced the quality of teaching and classroom management, allowing educators to deliver lesson more effectively and engage students in meaningful learning experience. At the same time, it also supports the development of better early childhood education by ensuring that teachers are well prepared, knowledge, and capable of meeting the needs of young learners. Ultimately, this program serves as a value investment in both personal and ultimately this program serves as a valuable investment in both personal and professional growth. It not only strengthens individual capability but also can contribute to building a more effective productivity and high quality educational environment. Thank you.